We regret to announce the death of Agnes Estefan, also known as Iona St. Martin, affectionately known as Dionne of Degazor, Grand Riviere, Grosley. Dionne passed away peacefully in her sleep at her Degazor residence on Sunday, November 11th at approximately 2:30 a.m. She was 86 years old. The funeral service for the late Agnes Estefan, also known as Iona St. Martin, affectionately known as Dionne, will be held on Monday, November 19th, 2012 at 3 p.m. at the St. Joseph the Worker Church in Grosley. The body will be laid to rest at the Grosley Cemetery. The body now lies at the Rambales Funeral Parlor, Calvary Road, Castries.